So we're doing a takeover with the general partners here at Trinity Park. Today's the first day that they're getting full operations going. Three, two, one, go!
At Trinity Park just closed yesterday. Coming to take a look at all the vacant units. We got the whole GP team here, our must GP team. Why don't you guys introduce yourselves real quick?
Hi, this is Jay from DC and we are very excited. We just closed yesterday. Joe, this is my partner Joe and Sushant.
Joe Pizzurro.
Hey, I'm Sushant. The location is excellent. 10 minutes from the airport. There's a lot of growth here and below market rents. We're really excited for this opportunity.
Some lucky tenant's gonna get this unit with a nice pool view. Check out that.
So this is 92 units. They're all classic. So we're gonna do about 40 upgrades, water conservation, a bulk cable package, increase that NOI, and look to hold out.
Let's go take a dip. All right, we're wrapping up the takeover tour. Everything checks out. We got 6 units ready to go, ready to lease. So pretty good boost to NOI right off the rip. What else did you see?
Yep, no, the previous owner left the units in great condition. Smooth transition so far, so we're ready to rock and roll.
All right, back to you.
All right, we're out here with Jay wrapping up the takeover tour. Any final words here?
Just thanks you investor, everybody whoever invested in this property. We are super excited about this property and thank you for cooperation and help to you also and to whoever invested in this property. Thank you.
All right, back to you.